Ano nga ba ang tretinoin at paano ito nakakatulong sa ating skin? Hi, this is Doc Kate. Ang tretinoin is a retinoid derived from vitamin A or synthetic vitamin A. Marami po itong benefits sa ating skin katulad ng number 1, pag-clear ng dead skin cells ng mas mabilis at pag-form ng new cells sa ating face. Number 2, dahil mas mabilis ang cell turnover, it also opens our pores na nagtatanggal ng mga trapped bacteria or irritants na nagiging dahilan din ng breakouts or acne. And number 3, ang mga retinoids katulad ng tretinoin ay tumutulong ding mag-regulate ng skin's natural oil or sebum production which can prevent future breakout. Bukod pa dito, meron din itong anti-inflammatory effects that can clear up active acne pustules. Better kung ito po ay sasamahan ng hydroquinone because it enhances absorption and efficacy para mas mabilis na rin ang pag-fade ng dark spots and smoother skin, and it is considered as a comprehensive treatment. Kaya naman when it comes to tretinoin and hydroquinone product, you can use Brilliant Rejuve Set dahil ito po ay naglalaman ng 4 powerhouse products like toner, cream, soap, and sunscreen for a more youthful skin. Kailangan din nating maintindihan na it can take approximately up to 12 weeks to see results from using tretinoin for acne. Mas maganda kung every night po natin itong ilalagay because this is photosensitive at gumamit ng broad-spectrum sunscreen to prevent pigmentation. Huwag din kakalimutang magpakonsulta sa inyong mga dermatologists for a more personalized skincare routine. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!